Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be talking to you about Hustle Bubbles Deluxe. Hustle Bubbles Deluxe is a revolutionary refined rinse that has burst onto the scene, so let's take a look at what it offers artists. To put it simply, Hustle Bubbles Deluxe is everything you love about Hustle Butter in an antimicrobial foam wash. Use Hustle Bubbles as an alternative to green soap and in-process washes thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Hustle Bubbles decreases the bacteria on the skin while gently cleansing, soothing and nourishing the skin. Use it to keep fresh tattoos and piercings clean during the healing process. This latest foam wash is easier to apply and doesn't require diluting before use, simply pump and go. As with all products from Hustle Butter, Hustle Bubbles Deluxe is an all-natural, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free and smells pretty damn good. To get your hands on a bottle or a case of Hustle Bubbles Deluxe, it's available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. Make sure to also check out the original Hustle Butter Deluxe and CBD infused Hustle Butter CBD Luxe for great tattoo care solutions. So what are your thoughts on Hustle Bubbles Deluxe? Will you be getting it to replace your green soap? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can't knock the hustle.